Hello guys, welcome to our channel ChandraAwesome. In this today's video, we are going to continue with the modifying tools in Fusion 360. In the previous videos, we completed with the press and fillet and camper tool. Now we are going to complete with this section tools, which is available with the tools. Totally how many? 4, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 9 tools is there. We're going to complete these 9 tools in this video itself. Okay, so without skipping the video, watch the until to end for better understanding how to work with this modifying tools in Fusion 360. Okay, so first of all, let's sell the shell tool. What is this shell tool means? It is going to make the body into a cavity body. It's showing it's explaining the ever tool beside it. See, removing materials and interior creating a hollow cavity within the walls of specified thickness. Okay, so first of all, let's sell this tool. And there is a pop-up. For every tool we get a pop-up, right? To observe it, its surface faces our body. So I'm going to select this body. Okay, so when I can select, it's asking the inner thickness. And we have the directions also, inside, outside, both. So we're going to with the inner thickness. And here we get the drag option. Just drag it. And you can see there is a cavity is formed, which is 10 mm with thickness. Or else you can also change the direction. When you're working with this, it is going to create on one side of the face of cavity. Okay, because we selected the only face, but you can also select the body. I will show you later. Okay, so this is the inside thickness. When you change the outside thickness will get increased. See, which means the outside thickness of the body is getting increased and making the original position of the body to cavity. Okay, if you want both, you can do on both sides also. It depends upon how you work with it. Okay, so let's close it. And here we selected face, not the body. Okay, and one thing is you can select the multiple face at the time. That is also possible. How we can do that? I'm just undoing this operation. I'm selecting the shell tool again. So when I select this side face, and I want to select from only inside, when I drag this option, you can see the 3 sides of face cavity is formed, which means the 3 sides got removed and make a cavity shape like this. Okay, and this also same times, same like that it will go outside, both side, or depends upon our wish. Okay, let's undo this deselect this option. Let's select with this ball. Here we got selected the face, not the body. You can observe it to select the face. So how we can select the whole body? Let's click on left click button and drag it and select the whole body. So when we select the whole body, let's select the inside and drag the option. But here you can't see any changes here, but the actual cavity is formed inside it. So for that, let's click on OK. I will show you. So in the inspect button, we will have a toolbar section analysis. Click on it and select any one of the face and drag. Here you can see from the section view, you can observe what is the inside it. See, there is a cavity is available inside it. Okay, in this way you can select the faces or bodies for making this cell operation using shell tool. Okay, I hope you might understand how to work with the shell tool, how to select the faces or bodies. If you want the whole bodies, just select the whole drag button, drag it and select the whole body like this. Okay, that is how to work with the shell tool. And coming up of the draft tool. In draft tool, it is very useful for in CAD design. Okay, you already know about it. So it seems like how we work with Onshape. Okay, so what that defines is asking. It's asking it to have two types of graphs: fixed plane or parting line, and it is asks the direction, means in which direction you want to pull the face. Okay, let's for example, I just want to pull set this face, and it's asking the faces, which faces you want to set face. Let's for example, it's not point asking letting me to set this face. So let's select this top face, or else so many work. Let's see. It's actually showing this rotating option, which is actually making the pose surface into draft, making into angle cut. Here you can see I select the faces. When I select the faces, due to this tangent chain, it got selected the whole face. Okay, that's the difference. And when this is the drag button, based on that you can increase the one side of the faces of the body. And we have the flip direction also. Here you can do that, or else by in the graphics area you can also work with that. And this is the angle. And when we have in this that one side, two side, and symmetry. So two side means we are going to work with the two sides. But here it can't work with the two sides because it's often showing the error. See? So that is the issue. So let's deselect this face and let's work with this. Here also you can't see the face because we select the wrong face. Let's work with this. Because we need to select the two faces here, then only you can able to work with the two faces. Let's select this one and this one. For selecting the multiple faces, you know, right? Let's change the direction. If it was not work like this, let's tap like this. Deselected. Actually, we can't able to see the two side direction here. Because of what? Because of parting line is ending here, and this is the top place we can't able to see. So you need to deselect this. And you can see I select the two faces. And I can also do draft here also. See, it is even possible how to work with the two faces at a time. And if you want to symmetric, you can also do that. Okay, let me show you the other difference. Let's undo this operation. Let's work with other borders which we have availability. Okay, so this is the body available for us now. I'm going to use the draft tool on this body. Click on the draft and select the cases. I select the two faces and I kept in the two side. Okay. Sorry. And now let's select the full direction with the planes. Okay. Now I'm going to select the faces. Select this face and I'm cutting the tangent connection. Control CMD. And here it is. I select the two faces one. Okay. So I am working with this face at the same time working this face. See, so when you're able to select the two faces, you can work with a two-side draft option. Okay, and if you want to work with the symmetric for both faces, you can work with the same symmetric draft option. Okay, in this way, you can work with the drafting size. And let's work with the parting line section. So it is asking a parting line instead of faces. Okay, so we need to set the full direction and parting tool, which means we need to set the edge. So then select the edge and it's asking the faces. I select this face. Okay, and here you can see it is another option called parting line type. So it says in fixing parting line, move parting line. If you want to move the parting line, it is also going to move. Or else if you want to fix it, you can also fix that. So when you come to move, it's asking you which direction you want to move. Angle above or angle below, or you want both. Based on that, the parting line is going to move. You can see this is the parting line, which is showing imaginary. It's like a construction line. Okay. And I'm just fixing the parting line for now. And I'm just going to sell the symmetry. It's already deeper the symmetry. Let's sell the other face. So where are the other places? Let me select it now. It's a full direction. So date and parting line. This should be places. This one. Actually can't able to select it because of less taking tangent. Sometimes okay. Just select the both faces and click on grab tool. Then the parting line is going to ask the parting line like means the faces like this. There is the error. Let me also you can say work with like this, okay, guys. About things. Okay. Now you can see. Now it is getting selected. So the actually sim one side is working. If you want symmetric, that is also able to work here. And two side. That is also going to work. Just like how we worked before. Here we are going to set the parting line. In this, we are going to set the faces. That's the difference. So based on the purpose, you can change the faces of the board. Okay. Now focus the tool. And we get the shapes using the draft tool. Okay. That is how to work with the draft tool in Fusion 360. And other tool is called scale. Scaling is nothing but it is going to scale, increase your geometry into a number of times. Just like if you have a cube with 2 meters radius, 2 meter square area, okay? And if you want to scale it into 2 times, 2 into 2, 4 meter square area. Like this, it's going to enlarge. So let us sell this tool and sell the body. And the ratio self-factor is 1. If you want to pull the direction, it's going to increase the sizing. It's actually enlarging. Or else you can also decompose it. It's going to negative value. Let's give a -1. Even minus can also work. So it's not taking the native care. A2 use the quick. Okay, we're going to give the point slot. Okay. If you want to give the point one value, it's going to become just like this. Okay, we'll continue the operation. Then it was tell them again. And now when it's in the body, it is have the uniform type. If you want to work with the uniform type, it's going to three direction scale, which means in which direction we want to enlarge. Like if we want to enlarge up to this much, range to which, okay, and I want to enlarge from the direction this much, and I want to enlarge in the previous much. So using the axis also, you can enlarge your body as per you want, as per your requirements. Okay, this is how we can work with this non-uniform scale type. Okay, and just open the tool. This way you get the desired shape if you want using the scale tool and increase the sizes. Okay. Then we have combine tool. Combine tool is nothing but the tool for work volume tool Onshape. Okay. So it is going to combine the two bodies and make it into a single body. Okay. So it's going to cut or intersect, or it's going to subtract, or it can also add. Okay. So let's select the combine tool. Here we already have the two bodies, right? They are intersecting actually. No, they are not intersecting. So before that, let's make this tool get intersect. How you can do that? I'm just going to undo the scale operation. So it will get intersect like this. Okay. Now select the combine tool. Now set it is asking target body and tool bodies, which means to which body you want to are targeting. I want the main body, and which tool body you want to select it, and this body. And you can see when the two bodies get selected, then edge is formed, which means when the joint is formed, then only the edge is formed within the two bodies. Okay, and when you click on OK, and see. Now they become into a one single part. They are not two separate parts anymore. Okay. Let's edit this feature. I clicked it. Sorry. Okay, I've actually edit the feature. Yeah. And instead of joining, you want to separate. See? Which means here we can call as cut. Default cut, and it's going to remove, which means we select this body and we want to remove this tool body from inside this body. And you can see it's making cavity here. So when you click on OK, the target body is removed, and this is and it makes a cavity with the first body we are selected, which means it is separated with the intersecting area from the first body. Okay. So let's edit the feature again. We have another code intersect, which means it's going to keep the wholly intersected area and remove the other areas. Which means you can observe this is the only area get intersected between the two parts. So only this part is going to be remain here, and remaining parts would get removed. Okay. And this is the representation of it, different section. And there is a toolbar keep tools. Keep tools means if you want to keep the original tools as it is, you can on it. So the original body will also capitalize. So when you click on OK, see, you can also see the original body. Okay.